Hey guys, today I'm going to swap out the levers for clutch and brake on my EBR 1190 RX. Should be the exact same steps as you'd find for the 1190 SX. We're going to the factory available folding levers from EBR. A little bit nicer looking lever, and it gets rid of the silver since there's not much silver on the bike. So to start out, all you should need is going to be a large flat tip screwdriver and a 10mm box end wrench. We're going to be taking out this little bolt right here by putting your screwdriver on the top, socket on the nut on the back, and just undo this. Take this out the rest of the way. And with that, your factory lever comes off. Got the new lever ready to go on. This is going to go straight through here. There is a little lever here you have to kind of be careful about, a little plunger. That's going to go inside here, and you'll see there's a little divot that plunger kind of rests inside. You can rotate that divot to line up by using the little flathead screw there. So I'm going to get that kind of lined up. I'm going to use a small flat tip screwdriver to line up that pivot in the bottom. Find a good angle to get in here. Now, one thing to be careful for, I was trying to not remove it, is there's this little retaining, you can probably see it there, retainer on the inside of that. So you want to make sure once you rotate that around to get the divot in the right place, we're going to need to put that back in. Put the nut on the back side of that bolt. Tighten her up. Oops. Make sure to run there. Okay. And just make sure I've got that pivot in the right spot, a little divot there in the right spot. Which I believe I do. Last thing I'm going to do off camera is get that little retainer put back in, and then for the clutch side, you're done. Of course, it's adjustable and foldable.